بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم.
Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to science class with a new topic. Open your books. Students, first we will revise our previous lecture, human brain. So students, do you remember what we had read about brain? Yes, we read that brain is the control center of our body. All organs and systems are controlled by our brain. Then we read about parts of brain. That brain is divided into 3 parts: cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. Then we read about the functions of each part. That cerebrum control our memory, thinking, taste, smell, touch, sight and hearing. And cerebellum control our muscles. And medulla control functions of heart, stomach, kidneys, etc. Now students, come to our topic. Today our topic is the sense organs. The sense organs. Students, we have 5 senses. We have 5 senses. That are sight, smell, hearing, taste and touch. These are 5 senses. These are our 5 senses. Students, sight का मतलब है देखना. अगर हम अपने इर्द गिर्द देखें तो हमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें नज़र आएंगी और हम हर चीज़ की आसानी से पहचान कर सकते हैं. और इसी तरह हम अच्छे और बुरे स्मेल में भी पहचान कर सकते हैं कि ये गुड स्मेल है या बैड स्मेल. स्टूडेंट्स, हम अपने इर्द गिर्द मुख्तलिफ़ चीज़ों की आवाज़ें सुनते हैं. कभी गाड़ियों की आवाज़ें, कभी बातों की आवाज़ें और कभी परिंदों की आवाज़ें. और हम हर आवाज़ की पहचान कर सकते हैं कि ये किस चीज़ की आवाज़ है. और अगर हम टेस्ट की बात करें तो हम मुख्तलिफ़ फ्रूट्स खाते हैं और हर एक फ्रूट का अपना टेस्ट होता है. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर हम अपने रूम में हर एक चीज़ को टच करें तो बाज़ चीज़ें बहुत नरम होंगी और बाज़ चीज़ें बहुत सख्त. टच के ज़रिए हम हॉट और कोल्ड में भी फ़र्क कर सकते हैं. तो स्टूडेंट्स, इन 5 सेंसेस के लिए फिर स्पेसिफिक ऑर्गन्स होते हैं जिससे हम इन सेंसेस को फील करते हैं और उनको हम सेंस ऑर्गन्स कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? सेंस ऑर्गन्स. सेंस ऑर्गन्स that are eyes, nose, tongue, ears and skin. These are 5 sense organs. These are our 5 sense organs. Students, sight is related to the eye. Sight is related to the eye. Sight is a sense and eye is an organ. Sight is a sense and eye is an organ. So it means we can see with our eyes. We can see with our eyes. And hearing is related to the ear. Hearing is related to the ear. Hearing is a sense and ear is an organ. Hearing is a sense and ear is an organ. So for hearing we use our ears. And smell is related to the nose. Smell is related to the nose. Smell is a sense and nose is an organ. Smell is a sense and nose is an organ. So for smell we use our nose. and taste is related to the tongue. Taste is related to the tongue. Taste is a sense and tongue is an organ. Taste is a sense and tongue is an organ. So, for taste, we use our tongue. And touch is related to the skin. Touch is related to the skin. Touch is a sense and skin is an organ. Touch is a sense and skin is an organ. So, for touch, we use our skin. Students, now come to your book. Let's start our reading. Our topic is the sense organs. These help us to sense the world around us. These mean sense organs. Sense organs help us to sense the world around us. Means our sense organs help us to feel our surrounding. The sense organs take in information and send it to our brain so that we can be aware of our environment. The sense organs take in information and send it to our brain so that we can be aware of our environment. Means our sense organs, that are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin, first take information from the surrounding. Information means what we touch, what we taste, what we smell, etc. The sense organs take these informations and then it is sent to the brain. So, in order to know our environment, our senses are important. They help to keep us safe from danger. It means our five senses. Our five senses, that are sight, hearing, smell, taste and touch. These senses are very important because they keep us safe from dangers. Now, eyes, sense organs. When the eyes see something, they send a message to the brain. When the eyes see something, they send a message to the brain. It means when we see something. So students, there are some nerves present in our eyes. Nerves are thread-like structure. What are nerves? Nerves are thread-like structure present in our sense organs. Here we are talking about eye, so the nerves present in our eyes. These nerves collect the information from the surrounding and then it sends it to the brain. The brain tells us what we are seeing. When the nerves send information to the brain, then the brain tells us what is that thing. Now, ears. The ears receive sounds from outside. The ears receive sounds from outside. Outside means surrounding. So, the ears receive sounds from the surrounding. The sounds are carried to the brain. Students, nerves are also present in the ears, and these nerves receive the sounds from the surrounding and then send it to the brain. The brain tells us what is making the sound and where the sound is coming from. The brain tells us what is making the sound and where the sound is coming from. When the brain receives the sound, then the brain tells us which thing make the sound and where the sound is coming from. Our ears enable us to hear and also help us to keep our balance. Our ears enable us to hear and also help us to keep our balance. Means for hearing we use our ears. And another function of the ear is it keep our body balanced due to liquid present in our ears. Students, now come to the next page. The next sense organ is nose. Many things give off smells, scents and odors. Scents mean good smell and odors mean bad smell. These smells travel through the air. These smells travel through the air. The nerves in the nose receives these smells. The nerves in the nose receives these smells. Students, the nerves present in the nose receive these smells, and students, I have told you that nerves are thread-like structures, and the function of the nerve is it take informations from the surrounding and then send it to the brain. So when the brain receive this sense, then it tells us that the smell is good or bad. The brain tells us if the smells are pleasant or not. Now, tongue. The tongue helps us to taste things. The tongue helps us to taste things. As you know that taste is related to the tongue. The tongue is covered with tiny pores which taste different things. The tongue is covered with tiny pores which taste different things. Small pores are present on our tongue. Students, tiny pores means small pores. So small pores are present on our tongue which are called taste buds. The tiny pores or small pores on the tongue are called taste buds, and these small pores help us to taste things. We can tell if something is sweet, meeta, sour, तुरुश, bitter, खट्टा, करेले की तरह, salty, नमकीन, और hot, as you know, garam. The tongue also help us to talk, means we can talk with our tongue. Now the last sense organ is skin. The skin help us to feel. So the skin help us to feel something. Just under the surface of the skin are the ends of nerves. When we touch something, the nerve endings send a message to the brain. It means nerves which are present in our skin, and the end of the nerves are present on the surface of our skin. So when we touch something or something touch to our skin, so that nerves ending send message to the brain. Then we can feel heat, cold, pressure and pain. We can also feel if something is hard or soft. Okay students, now I am giving you homework. This is a worksheet. You will fill this, and the questions are: question number 1, identify the senses related to these following organs. These are sense organs, and which senses are related to these organs you will write here. Okay students, these are sense organs, and which senses are related to these organs you will write here. Now the second question is: name the senses being used by the child in the picture. Look at this picture and which senses he is using. You will write here. This is your homework. Okay students, take care and Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.